No fucking shit, you didn't see me? No, the police are on the fucking way. This is a $30,000 motorcycle. Put your titties the fuck away, bitch.
I'm not.
Put your titties away. The police are on their fucking way right now.
I'm covering them up. I'm sorry.
Alright, no, this isn't fucking funny.
No, it's not. I promise you. We're not saying it's funny. I promise you we're not saying it's funny.